Kentucky, northern Mississippi County, Missouri, southeastern Scott County, Missouri, northeastern New Madrid County, Missouri, until 2 a.m.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pulaski County, Illinois, southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, western Ballard County, Kentucky, northern Mississippi County, Missouri, southeastern Scott County, Missouri, northeastern New Madrid County, Missouri, until 2 a.m.
Considerable tree damage.
At 1:12 a.m.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
Moving northeast at 60 miles per hour.
Charleston.
Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour.
Bertrand, Barlow, Minor, Mounds, Carroll, New Grand Chain, Horseshoe Lake Conservation Area, Olmsted, and Sykeston.
Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
57 in Illinois between mile markers 1 and 14.
Charleston, La Center, Mound City, Fieldstown, Bertrand, Barlow,
1 and
Minor,
21.
Mounds, Carroll,
Interstate
Blodgett,
55
New
between
Grand
mile
Chain,
markers 62
Horseshoe Lake
and 78.
Conservation Area, Olmsted, and
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Mississippi, New Madrid and Scott, and the following counties in Illinois, Alexander and Pulaski, and Ballard, Kentucky.
Interstate 55 between mile markers 62 and 78. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 a.m. for the following counties in Missouri, Mississippi, New Madrid and Scott, and the following counties in Illinois, Alexander and Pulaski, and Ballard, Kentucky.